Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 1 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplustudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and provide using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 1 and then click on your lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter edition. And the lessons we're going to cover from the chapter are addition sentences using number lines, sums up to 18, addition facts, sums up to 18, addition word problems, sum to 18. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is addition sentences using number lines, sums up to 18. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I am on grade 1 maths. The chapter name is addition. And the lesson I'm going to start with is addition sentences using number lines, sums up to 18. Let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, you don't have any practice questions for this lesson. Let's just move on to next one. The next one is addition facts, sums up to 18. Okay, let's just start with the first example. The first one is 7 plus 2. You have to add. So let's just start with the 7 plus 2. So start with the greater number. 7 is the greater one and count up to 2. So 7, 8, 9. So that means 7 plus 2 makes 9. Got it? You always have to start with a greater number and count up to the smaller number. So 7 plus 2 makes 9. Got it? Okay, the next one is 7 plus 5. Okay, so start with 7 and count up to 5. Got it? So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means 7 plus 5 makes, I just made 5 lines, starting counting from 5, 7 up to 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7 plus 5 makes 12. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, the first one is 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5. So let's just start with 0 plus 5. So 5 plus 0. 0 means 0. 0 means nothing. When you add 5 to 0, the answer is 0. Got it? 5 plus 0 is 5. Okay, so 0 plus 5 makes 5. The correct option is 5. Let's just select the correct option. Move on to next one. The next one is 3 plus 0. When you are adding 0 to any number, the answer is the same number. Got it? So any number it is, if you add 0 plus 1, 3 plus 0, so now you have 3 plus 0. So adding 0 to any number answers the same number. Got it? Like 3 plus 0 is 3. Got it? So the correct option is 3. Okay, the next one is 7 plus 0. So always start with a greater number and count up to the smaller one. So start with 7 and count up to 6. Got it? 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just going to make 6 lines. Now I'm going to start with 7 and count up to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 7 plus 6 makes 13. Got it? So 7 plus 6 makes 13. So the correct option is 13. So just select the correct option and move on to next one. Okay, the next one is 3 plus 2. So start with 3 and count up to 2. So 3 plus 2 makes 3, 4, 5. So that means 3 plus 2 makes 5. Got it? So 3 plus 2 equals 5. So 3 plus 2 makes 5. Got it? So the correct option is 5. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. If you already know the answers, just write the answers in the chat box. Your participation is highly appreciated. Got it? Okay, the next one is 5 plus 4. So start with 5 and count up to 4. So let's just start with 5 plus 4. Start with 5 and count up to 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to make 4 lines for 4. Now I'm going to start with 5 and count up to 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 makes 9. Got it? 5 plus 4 makes 9. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The next one is 9 plus 8. Very good. 5 plus 4 makes 9. The next one is 9 plus 8. So let's just start with 9 plus 8. 9 and 8. So start with 9 and count up to 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 9 plus 8 makes 17. Got it? I just made 8 lines for 8. Started counting from 9 and count up to 8. So 9 plus 8 makes 17. Got it? So 5 plus 4, 9 plus 8 makes 17. The correct option is 17. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 0 plus 3. So 0 adding 0 to any number equals the same number. So 0 plus 3 equals 0 plus 3 equals 3. Got it? That means when you add 0 to any number, the answer equals the same number. Got it? So 0 plus 3 equals 3. Okay, the next one is 4 plus 2. So start with 4 and count up to 2. 4 plus 2, 4 and 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So 5 plus 2 makes 6. Got it? 4 plus 2 equals 6. Got it? 4 plus 2 equals 6. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 9 plus 2. So start with 9 and count up to 2. So 9, 9, 10, 11. So 9 plus 2 makes 11. Got it? So 9 plus 2 makes 11. So 9 plus 2 makes 11. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The next one is 8 plus 2. So start with 8 and count up to 2. So 8 plus 2 makes 8, 9 and 10. So 8 plus 2 makes 10. Got it? Start with 8 and count up to 2. So 8 plus 2 makes 10. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. 8 plus 2 makes 10. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The next one is 9 plus 0. So adding 0 to any number equals the same number. So 9 plus 0 equals 9 plus 0 equals, yes, 9. Adding 0 to any number equals the same number. Got it? So 9 plus 0 equals 9. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 7 plus 5. So start with 7 and count up to 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sorry. That means adding 5 to 7 makes 12. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Got it? The correct option is 12. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The next one is 5 plus 2. So start with 5 and count up to 5. Very good. 5 plus 2 makes 7. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. 5 plus 2 makes 7. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. So if you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Let's just start with the next one. The next one is addition word problems sums up to 18. Now we are going to do the same thing, but now we're going to do the word problems. Got it? So let's just start with the first example. The school supply cabinet has three large binders and four small binders. In how many binders, in total, how many binders are there? So Cabinet has three large binders and four small binders. Got it? So you have to calculate the total binders. So for the total binders, you have to add 4 plus 3. Got it? So just add 4 plus 3. Start with the 4 and count up to 3. So it is 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. Got it? So that means 4 plus 3 makes 7. Okay, let's just start with the test questions and let's do the practice questions. Okay, the first one is in a rainforest, there is one small parakeet and one large parakeet. What is the total parakeet population? You have to calculate the total parakeets. So to calculate the total parakeets, you need to add the small one and the large one. Got it? So you have to do 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 makes 1 plus 1 equals 2. Got it? That means when you add the small parakeets and large parakeets, it makes 2. Got it? 1 plus 1 makes 2. Very good. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The next one is Temi has a chest of coins. Inside, there are 4 gold coins and 8 silver coins. How many coins are in the chest? So you have to calculate the total chest. Got it? Whenever you have to calculate the total, that means you have to add 4 plus 2. Got it? So start with 4 plus 8. Start with 8 and count up to 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 8 plus 4 makes 12. Got it? So the correct option, that means the total coins in the chest are 12. Got it? 9, 8 plus 4 makes 12. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is after a forest fire, there are 8 old trees plus 4 baby trees called saplings. How many trees are there overall? So you have to calculate the total trees. So to calculate the total trees, you have to add the old trees and the baby trees. Got it? So let's just add 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 equals we just did 8 plus 4. So 8 plus 4 equals, start with 8 and count up to 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 8 plus 4 equals 12. Got it? That means the baby trees and the old trees together make 12. Got it? 8 plus 4 makes 12. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is on an island, there are 4 wild horses and 6 tame horses. In total, how many horses are on the island? You have to calculate the total of horses. So to calculate the total horses, you need to add the wild horses and the tame horses. Got it? Just add 6 and 4. So 6 plus 4 makes, start with 6 and count up to 4. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 plus 4 makes 12. Got it? That means when you add the tame horses and the wild horses together, they make 10 horses. The total horses on the island are 10. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. The next one is one afternoon Keith caught 8 tadpoles and in a pond and took them home. That left 4 tadpoles in the pond. How many tadpoles were in the pond before? So 4 of the tadpoles Keith took them home, and the 4 tadpoles are left in the pond. So there you have to calculate the ponds that were in the pond before. So you have to add 4 plus 4. 4 tadpoles are the one Keith took home, and 4 are the one that are remaining in the pond. You have to calculate the total one. So you that means need to add 4 plus 4. Got it? So 4 plus 4 makes 8. Got it? Let's just start with 4. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 makes 8. Got it? Yes, very good. 4 plus 4 makes 8. Got it? Okay, the next one is the correct option is 8. 4 plus 4 makes 8. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is Monica had to do the dishes after work. She washed 4 small plates and 1 large plate. How many plates she washed in total? So she washed 4 of the small plates and 1 of the large plate. You have to calculate the total plates. So you need to add 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 makes 4. Start with 4 and count up to 1. So 4 plus 1 makes 5. Got it? That means the total dishes she washed is 5. 4 plus 1 makes 5. Got it? The next one is Angie helped her father bake cookies. They baked 6 sugar cookies and 1 chocolate chip cookie. How many cookies did they bake altogether? So they baked 6 sugar cookies and 1 chocolate cookie. You have to calculate the total cookies they baked. Got it? So 6 plus 1 makes 7. Got it? So 6 plus 1 makes 7. That means altogether they baked 7 cookies. Got it? Okay, the next one is as a firefighter, Whitney has helped put out 3 fires in her own city and 9 in a nearby city. How many fires has she helped put out? So you have to calculate the total fires she put out. So you need to add 9 plus 3. Got it? So 9 plus 3 makes, start with 9 and count up to 3. So 9 plus 3 makes 9, 10, 11, 12. So 9 plus 3 makes 12. Got it? So the correct option is 12. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, the next one is on the first day of school, students use 3 small paper clips and 5 large ones. How many paper clips did they how many paper clips did they use that day? You have to calculate the total number of clips used on that day. Got it? So you need to add the smaller one, the larger one. So you have to add 5 plus 3. Got it? So start with 5 and count up to 3. So 5 plus 3 makes 5. 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 makes 8. Got it? So the correct option is 8. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. 5 plus 3 makes 8. That means the total paper clips used on that day are 8. Okay, the next one is when Maria first moved into her house, there were no flowers in her backyard. Since then, Maria has planted 2 roses and 1 daisy. How many flowers are in her backyard now? So you have to calculate the total flowers. You need to add 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 equals 2 plus 1 equals, yes, very good. 2 plus 1 equals 3. That means the total flowers in her backyard are now 3. Got it? Very good. Okay, Pester has 8 books in her backpack to take the school. He then put 5 more books in his backpack. How many books did he take to school in his backpack? So you need to just add the numbers involved in the question. Got it? You need to add 8 plus 5. So count, start with 8 and count up to 5. 8 and 5. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 8 plus 5 makes 13. Got it? That means the total books in her backpack are 13. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is Tessa works as a women's clothing store. Yesterday, she noticed that all her customers wore pants or skirts. 2 customers wore pants and 8 customers wore skirts. How many customers did Tessa helped yesterday? So, 2 of the customers wore pants and 8 customers wore skirts. So you need to add 8 plus 2. Got it? So start with 8 and count up to 2. So 8 plus 2 equals. So 8 plus 2 equals. Yes, very good. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Got it? That means the total customers that Tessa helped yesterday are 10. Got it? So the correct option is 10. The correct option is 10. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is Clara only feed her dog 2 kinds of treats. Last year, Clara fed her dog 3 peanuts butter treats and 2 carrot treats. How many treats did Clara feed her dog last year? So you need to calculate the total feeds Clara is feeding her dog. Got it? You need to add peanut butter treat and carrot treat. So 3 plus 2 makes, yes, very good. 3 plus 2 makes 5. Got it? So the correct option is 5. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is addition sentences for verb problems sums up to 18. Okay, let's start with the first example. Blanca's favorite games at the carnival are the bottle stand game and the dunk tank. Blanca tries the bottle stand game 8 times and the dunk tank 1 time. In all, how many times does Blanca play the games? Write an addition sentence that fits the story. You have to write the addition sentence. What you have to do? Just look at the numbers involved in the sentence. Here you have 8 and here you have 1. That means you have to write an addition sentence. Got it? Add the numbers that Blanca played. So 8 plus 1 and add 8 plus 1. Start with 8 and count up to 1. So 8 plus 1 equals, yes, 8 plus 1 equals 9. Got it? That means the total games played by the Blanca is 9. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. A cook fed 2 adults and 7 children. How many people did the cook feed? Write an addition sentence that fits the story. So you are given with the options here. So using the options, that doing these questions is very easy. Just look at the numbers involved in the question. You have 2 plus 7. So look for the option that has the numbers 2 plus 7, and we know that adding 7 plus 2 makes 9. Got it? Because the other numbers are 2 plus 3. You don't have 3 in the question given. You have 2 and 7. So 2 plus 7 makes 9. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is Mr. Penna helped dry the dishes. He dried 2 small glasses and 3 large glasses. How many glasses did he dry? So you need to calculate the total glasses he dried. So he dried small and 3 large. Look at the option that has the same numbers, 3. So which is the correct option? Option number 1 has 2 plus 2. You have 2 and 3 involved in the question. That means the second is very good. That means the second one is the correct option. 2 plus 3 makes 5. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is Troy's family. Okay, the next one is Troy's family has 9 ounces of regular peanut butter. They also have 1 ounce of crunchy peanut butter. How many ounces of peanut butter, total peanut butter, do they have? Got it? You have to add the regular peanut butter and the crunchy peanut butter. Got it? You need to add 9 plus 1. So just look at the option that has both the numbers involved. So which is the correct option? Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? 9 plus 1 equals 10. Got it? So the correct option is option number 2. 9 plus 1 equals 10. A husband and a wife are on the Oregon Trail. Bugs get into their food and ruin 1 cup of feed and 1 cup of cornmeal. How many cups of grain does the couple lose? So you need to calculate the total one they lose. Got it? So the numbers involved in the questions are 1 plus 1. So which is the correct option? Which is the addition sentence that fits the story? Option 1 or option 2? Yes, that is option number 2. Got it? 1 plus 1 equals 2. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. One afternoon, Matthew caught 1 tadpole in a pond and took it home. That left 3 tadpoles in the pond. How many tadpoles were in the pond before? You need to calculate the tadpoles that are in the pond before. So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? Which is the correct option? Yes, that would be the second one. Got it? 1 plus 3 equals 4. So the total tadpoles before in the pond are 4. Got it? The second option is the correct one. Okay, Roger has a chest of coins. Inside there are 4 gold coins and 2 silver coins. how many coins are in the chest, you need to calculate the total coins in the test. So chest. So which option is the correct one? Which addition sentence fits the story? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is the second one. You need to add 4 plus 2, the gold coins and the silver coins, that they are the total one in the chest. So 4 plus 2 makes, very good, that would be 6. So just select the correct option and click on the, you can, the by looking at the options, finding answer is very easy. You can just look at the numbers involved in the question. Here you have 4 and here you have 2. So just look at the option that has both the numbers involved. Got it? So 4 plus 2, and we know 4 plus 2 makes 6. Got it? So that's how the second option is the correct one. Okay, Megan is building a cabinet. She needs two 1-inch bolts and two 1.5-inch bolts. How many bolts in all does Megan need? So you need to calculate the total bolts. You need to add the 1-inch bolt and the 1.5-inch bolt. So which option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? Yes, very good. Option number 2 is the correct option. You just add 2 plus 2 and 2 plus 2 makes 4. Got it? So the correct option is 2 plus 2 equals 4. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Alice had a birthday party. 4 girls and 6 boys from his class came. How many of Alice's classmates were at the party? So which is the correct option? So which is the correct option? Yes, very good. The second one is the correct option. Got it? Because the numbers involved are 4 and 6. So 4 plus 6 makes 4 plus 6 makes 12. 4 plus 6 makes 10. Got it? So the correct option is 10. So the correct option is 10. Got it? 4 plus 6 makes 10. So the correct option is 10. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is Blanca's favorite games at the carnival are the bottle stand game and the dunk tank. Blanca tries the bottle stand game 8 times and the dunk tank 1 time. In all, how many times does Blanca play the game? So you need to calculate the total number of times she played the game. So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? So just look at the options. The numbers involved in the question are 8 and 1. So the correct option is the one that involves the same number. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Got it? So the correct option is option number 2. Got it? Very good. The correct option is 9. Molly and Jack decided to donate some of their toys to charity. Molly donated 6 toys and Jack donated 2 toys. How many toys did they donate all together? So you have to look for the options. The numbers involved in the question are 6 and 2. So 6 plus 2 makes 8. Got it? That means the second option is the correct one. The total toys they both donated are, or they donated all together are 8. Got it? So the correct option is 6 plus 2 and that equals 8. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 1 maths. The chapter we're working on is addition, and the lessons we have covered today are addition sentence using number lines sums up to 18. That was the one that doesn't have the Uh, okay, that was the one that doesn't have the questions. Got it? So then the one we just completed is addition fact sums up to 18. Then we did addition word problem sums up to 18. And the one we just completed is addition sentences for word problems sums up to 18. Got it? This one doesn't has the practice questions, so we haven't did this one. So we have covered addition fact sums up to 18, addition word problems sums up to 18, and addition sentences for word problems sums up to 18. Got it? So that's all for today. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So please click on the like button and below the video. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.